Hello, we are Rie and Hiromi, cousins from Japan. Today we will show you how to make an easy origami rooster. First, place a piece of origami with white side face up. Fold in half to make a triangle. Fold in half again, bringing left corner to the right to make a smaller triangle. Unfold, fold from the top, only bringing the upper paper to 1/3 of the triangle. Fold up, making sure that the apex is above the line, then fold outward the other side. Fold in half vertically, bringing the right side to the left. Change the position by 90 degrees, bringing the pointy parts to yourself. Fold up to make wings, one side at a time. Then it's done. Thank you for watching. Happy folding! 最後まで見てくれてありがとうございました。Please subscribe our channel if you like what you just watched or would like to support us. Please feel free to leave a comment or two. If you have any questions, ask us. We'll try to answer them for you. Any feedback is appreciated. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. The latest info will be posted there. Happy folding, everyone!